creatives, today we are unboxing the Trendy Memo subscription box. This was advertised as a lifestyle subscription box for working women, but really it's simply a box of girly looking office supplies. So let's check it out and see if it's worth it. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Today's box is the Trendy Memo box, and this box really is only worth it, I think, if you work from home, because if you work in corporate America, first of all of the office supplies are free. And second, I've never not had something stolen from my office in corporate America. And that's even with a locked office with the door. And that's just how it is. So if you really like these things, I wouldn't take them anywhere but to your home office. Trendy Memo offers 2 boxes, and this is the $34.99 office supply box. They have a second box, which is their pen subscription, and that was $14.99, but you only get 2 pens. And I have actually had really bad luck with pen subscription boxes, getting things that I just don't like, I didn't use, I didn't think they were any value added, and they were way cheaper on Amazon, and really things that I probably never would have wanted anyway. So I just simply opted out of that. Now today's box is $34.99. Shipping was another $5.99, which brought that total price up to $40.98. This was shipped out the first week of the month, and it arrived via USPS in a couple days. Now the box came just like this. There was no extra box on top of it. They used a stock photo, which I love stock photography, but if you ever print it out, it just looks terrible. I don't know why. It looks great on Facebook or Instagram, but not on boxes or on print. Work pretty, trendymemo.com, work hard, and then it says enjoy, and then there is a shipping label on this side. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I did already cut the tape that was over there. We got a card from me to me because I love me. And this is our inventory of everything we got. So we'll just put it over here to the side. And ooh, I really like this. Rose gold scissors. These feel really heavy. This box looks a little worn, like these are used scissors, but let's see. But they are really cute. So, and I know you can't see this, but they are super heavy, and they feel really durable, and they say U brands. Okay. Next, we have Sweetwater Decor, right in style. And oh, I'm so excited. The theme of this box must all be rose gold. So we have a pen, and it says, I can't even read that, Sweetwater Decor. And let's see what it writes like. Okay, so it's just a regular pen. And this does not feel heavy like the other one, so I imagine it looks metal, but I think it's a very, very thin aluminum. Over here we have, I don't know what this is, Flint, oh, a lint roller. Cute. I actually never really get dressed up. I don't have a lint problem. This is really funny that I always see lint rollers all the time. I've never used a lint roller in my life. And I've had a dog before, but I guess he just didn't shed a lot. And this is, I have no idea what this is. And it looks like it has some tape on it. So in theory, you're supposed to put it here in the back of your phone. And then I think that allows you to hold it up or use it as a kickstand. But I don't want to ruin the back of my pretty rose gold iPhone. So instead, what I'm going to do is I am going to instead put it on the back of my Mophie case, which is my battery case. So I'll pop this back. This spins around once you get that on, so you can just put it wherever you want. Here on the side. Oh, it's a frame. It's a rose gold frame. I actually will, I know you're going to be mortified when you hear this. I'm going to just throw this in the garbage. I don't print out pictures, so I don't really need that. But it's cute. And that was it. So that's our box. Now, I definitely love these rose gold scissors and nothing else really, and I didn't use anything. In fact, I just tossed all of it. So for me, this was basically a $40.98 pair of scissors, which I looked up on Amazon I could have gotten for $16. So let me know though if you thought the box was worth it and if you plan to order one in the future. All right, I hope everyone is having a great week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.